Hi, hello. We're alive and we exist, and I get to figure out what in the world this is.
Yeah, stream to me, I want to see.
Yeah. Uh, I also have the unfortunate bit of not having music going, even though I should.
You just gotta please just do this whole thing in silence.
I guess so. I normally don't have music going, so I don't have like.
I guess I can stream to you and my music, and then you can stream my music.
Yeah, sure.
Well, you gotta wait for me to go shower and set up. So no
I
music
see.
until then.
Okay, you wanted to see this though, so here you go.
I see.
Uh-huh. I have no idea what I'm looking at for any of this. Uh, Create a new node. All right. What is? There's a Windows node. What is a window node? Base class for all windows, dialogues, and pop-ups. Okay, a new window. So this is the game window. Why is it so goddamn small? I see. So 1920 by 1080. Let's go with that for the starting bit. Standard resolution size, whatever. Then I add a child node, I guess. And I'll see if I can find like or text anywhere in this even. Uh, this control item list panel. Text react, which text label? Oh, a label. Uh, does the label not take up the whole thing? How you do that? Whoa, what's the node to? I don't know what that is. Okay, well, if I just hit play, select this current scene. Oh, I see. Main menu. That made a window that said hello world. I don't know what I was expecting.
You done it. You've learned the code.
That's not how that works at all. Whoa. Auto rep off, please. What in the world is this? Okay, why is the label though not? Eh. There we go. Anchor presets are in the middle. So now if I load this, nice. So I can attach a script. Oh, how do I cancel? I don't want a GD script. I want to learn how do I put in a C++ thingy. We're gonna put this thing over here for me to be able to look through without people seeing. Uh, C++ script in Godot. Let me verify I'm a human. GD extension? What the f does that mean? I'm gonna open up this thing here. GD extension API. Where would I find GD extension API then? See, how does any of this work? Okay. See. How does this work then? So if I hit script, no, attach script? Cancel. Not enough. There's all of this. Okay, a new registration system without part of Godot's class DB. It means classes implementing plugins can distinguish from clinical classes. What? Okay, let's try this. Built in the script, pad name, random name, pick, CPP, test. Sure. Class, RNG name, picker. Like, does this mean I can just program in C++ like this? What in the is all of this? Excuse me.
If you're
Shut. Shush. What in the? What are you doing here? Oh, Stowe, you're right. I'm so sorry. Hang on. I don't know if there is one of these for like a category, a Twitch category for this. Is the problem?
Game dev category?
Is there a game dev category? Can you find it if it exists?
Pretty sure does.
in today's video, I am showing off how to use CPU.
Ah! Whoa, flashbang from the Santa. Okay. Yeah, I have no idea what that is. Usually science and technology, but I can also take a chunk. I see. I don't know what it's supposed to be. Oh, wait, hang on. I wonder. These guys are sometimes like really smart like this. I wonder, can I just actually do Godot? No, there's no category for Godot. Oh, software and game development. Thank you. Okay. I fix again. There we go. I'm officially a game dev. How someone get me to figure out how this works? I'm looking at these stupid tutorials. Okay, so we have a Godot engine. Why do I care how you're putting this texture thing? How'd you get C sharp? What do you mean they just had C sharp? How do you do that? How do I do that? It's the other install? What? Oh, the .NET download? Okay, hang on. Oh, I see. But then how do I do the C++ one? Because that's what I'm trying to find. And every time they're just like, oh, it just supports it. I don't know what's being asterisked out by chat. Hang on. Yeah, I don't get to see your original message, so. Okay, I found a thing that says it's just its own thing? Question mark? Like its own above the guide of C++ setup. I know I'm reading it, but every one of them is just like, oh, it's just set up natively. Yeah, I get that. I'm clearly looking at the wrong like thing, so I'm going through their actual guide, the documentation thing. And that got me to the download. I actually do this on this one because I know there's some files on my computer I don't want to like flash the world with. Okay. Read me notepad. Alright, I have the C++ extension thing downloaded. See, this is what I mean. You need the same C++ prerequisites installed that are required for Godot repository following the official. Like, it's just another place to do the bit, and then it goes into configuration entry simple equals example library underscoring a compatibility minimum 4.1. What are you yelling at me for in here? Code already. What are you doing? It's a reusable C++ template? Sure, let's open it with GitHub. See how poorly this goes. Which means we can close this one for now. You C#. I mean, that's fair. I have gone my entire coding career so far coding in C++, and like, if I can do it that way, I would rather do it that way. Alright, so what's this one? I mean, that's fair. I used to have the Udemy modding experience, but now not so much. Select this for project.godot. Okay, so it's scan, GitHub, C++ tablet. Sure. Okay, so that opened a thing. 2D scene. A window that we can call game window. And then in here we can have a label that we can say is random name. Oh, excuse me. But see, it's no longer C++ now. Now it just says GD script again. Is it supposed to do that? No, because this is nothing like what I was hoping it would look like. What in the world is all this? A completely different language. What is happening? What, who? Oh, that's fun. Alright, let's see how bad it would be then. We're gonna remove that template one. From my GitHub, I mean. And my computer in general. Alright, let's see. How bad does this go if I were to attach a script to this and name it, let's go, name underscore gen or, and let's see what a GD script actually looks like. Why not? Okay, so there are indeed two types of, like, they still take in a thing. What in the, does a delta mean though? Why does it take in a delta of float? Henry, Alan, Paul, Mark, Sydney, Marcel, sure. What? Okay, before we even do that, then, what was the other issue? You're the one who gave me Delta Process. What are you telling me it's useless for? Can I just eat it? Sure. Funk. Pick. Name. Oh, and then this is a return type, so we can say string. Name. What do you want now? Does it not go here? Where does the thing go then? Here? I'm so confused. What do you want me to do? It looks the exact same. Oh, wait. Return name. Name. Haha. No. I figured this out. We're gonna get C++ working in this thing then. What does any of this mean? So yeah, I thought you were going to go shower and set up stream.
I've showered. I'm setting up stream right now.
I see.
I will be making stickers during stream though, so if I just stand up and walk away for like 10 seconds, that's where I went.
I see.
Yeah, I'm drawing sandwiches.
Oh, excuse me. Okay, we have a quote-unquote template downloaded, I think?
Hello, chat. I am live now. I need to pick up Discord server.
Project? Choose an app on your PC. Oh, the source did not start capturing. Oh, loud.
Yeah, it's not very loud on my end.
Oh, insanely loud on my end. Oh, I did the wrong thing too. Don't turn her down. Turn her music down. Oh my god, I apologize for the deafening transition there, Chet. Excuse me. Okay. Let's just attach a script first. But it still says GD script and I can't code in C++. What the fuck is with this thing? I know it's my own fault for not going through the process properly, but also your fault for saying you support it and then not actually supporting it. Yeah, what is GD extension? Let me go through this list. Uh, okay. There's another tutorial thing, so we'll go to that one after. So you need a Godot for executable, a C++ compiler. What the fuck is scons as a build tool supposed to mean? Why are you not telling me? I hate when programmers try to give walkthroughs on how to program. It never ends well. Okay. Now that we've downloaded our prerequisites, it's time to build a C++ binding. This repository contains a copy of the metadata of the current Godot release. We need to build these bindings for a new version of Godot. Resulting extension API JSON will be created in your executables directory. I don't have built-in. Oh my god. That's why you want me to be using a fucking built-in Git, but I don't have a built-in Git. I just use desktop. Because I'm only one person and don't need to give a fuck about my version control as much.
Whoops, you're a one-person team.
But there's no version on how to do this without GitHub!
Whoops.
I don't know how to build and get things! Excuse me.
Okay. There is rope number 1. Is this how you want that rope to look?
Yeah.
Something's going wrong.
I think the annoying part is that everyone in here is just like under the assumption you already know how to use Godot, and you're not trying to, learn a new program in a familiar language for the first time. And so they're like, you just do it. You just go to the file folder that you know exists. And I'm like, what file folder are you talking about? It's because you need to compile Godot from source? What the fuck? Okay, hang on. What if I do something dumber than that? What if instead of going through all this weird trouble for something that clearly doesn't seem to work the way you would hope it does, what if I just instead go to the C sharp because at least that's more familiar to me than whatever the GD scripting language is? Where they say it's like half Python, half actual fucking live Cobra or something. Here we go. And then this one might actually, like, even Stoke might be able to recognize this one. Whoa, what is this? Snake paint game? Whoa, there's a lot of tutorial stuff in this thing. What is this? Oh,
Did you see that? That
I, yeah, I commented to you when you responded. What?
I forgot.
I see. Um, I will say, by the way, I'm looking at something different right now. I'm looking at OBS.
Okay.
I hate their new audio mixer.
Oh, bro, I haven't updated OBS in so long. It keeps being like, there's a new version. I'm like, remind me later. Remind me later. I'm on 32.0.2.
Where do you even see this?
Top left corner.
Oh, 32.1.0.
You're a whole 0.1 ahead of me.
Yeah. Also, what happened to your music?
I don't know.
Okay, it wasn't just me that it stopped then.
I don't know. Let's see what's playing. It's loading, apparently. It's trying to load the Mass Effect soundtrack, but it just can't do it.
Can't load the Mass Effect soundtrack? What?
I don't know, it's trying to play Key to Sierra, and it's just not doing it.
I see.
Okay.
See, this one has like C# written in it, so if
I have a question about book.
EP.
There's a chance that it costs $10 billion because you want both print and foil. I don't know what like that's gonna look like cost-wise because I have not done print and foil at the same time.
Okay.
If it ends up costing like way too much, like I don't know, like $20 a book, would you be okay with me converting this to all foil and just doing like the black lines but in that foil?
I
We'll figure out the details, but like, converting this to be foil.
guess so.
Okay. We'll figure it out if it comes to that.
Wow, a whole game that doesn't work. Nope, it didn't work whatsoever. Oh my god, man. See, now is when you have to like actually look at it and decide, would trying to make Godot work be better, or would it be better if I just used the new C++ module I actually have going? Like, where is that one? Visual Studio 2022. Right, this one I think was that was working when I attached it. Yeah, this one gives me a window. So then, do I just... It's not this thing. We're going to close down that one and select that for people to see. Okay. So we have all that, and now if I... There's a card and a picture. What the fuck is this? There's supposed to be buttons and stuff? Okay, so that just renders the actual thing. Oh, is it this that like was taken out or something that caused this to not work? No. Include game.hpp. Let's try uncommenting random parts of this template's code and seeing how poorly this goes. I know the C out is going to be a very rough thing that I should not let run like that, but it'll be funny to see what happens to the console regardless. Like this one. Give me all of your errors, good sir. Let me see what horrors await me in the abyss.
I'm like, is it okay if the rope is not all the same size? I'm looking at this and I'm
I
like,
don't know why it wouldn't be.
the size sticker.
I didn't say anything. I've been trying to do my own thing as well. So I wasn't looking. There we go. People can see what the window looks like now. It looks like this. That's it.
Black.
See, there's supposed to be this, like, test button thing that works, and I'm like, it's never called. Where do you get this button from? State equals state work. Okay, frame start, get text, seal, render clear, render. Button state equal to STL get my state position 0. Uh-huh. That's just the random file stuff. There are 532 color variables meant to be used for setting color keys. All black, white, red, blue. Blah, 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 blah. What do you mean main.cpp is not a valid startup item? Why would main.cpp not be a valid startup for this one process? There's no buttons for anything, even though I edited it. There's supposed to be buttons or something in cards.
I don't know what happened to the button.
Oh, like, I have a feeling it's because main here is not running. For whatever reason. But I don't know how to get main to run. What is wrong with any program? Delete test permanently. Damn it. See, like this one, when I do this, is just a local Windows debugger, so it doesn't actually do anything.
I'm starting to think that the Mass Effect soundtrack is broken.
Oh, I have one Mass Effect again?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Okay, 2 is working, 3 and Andromeda might be broken.
I see.
Yeah, we will keep monitoring.
Okay, so crewman.
Like, is it not readable?
Like kind of not really. This is usually the point.
Okay. If it is the point, then I will leave it.
Yeah. Um. New item class. Shit. Jobs. is the Citadel theme. No. No. Work. Look out. Gunner 1. Gunner 2. Gunner 3. Oh, yeah, I should still have all three of them be positioned. Well, maybe not. No, yeah, let's go with just one of the gunners. So we'll just say gunner. And I could do front, mast, mid, mast. Chef, navigator, helmsman, master. Chef, helmsman. Navigator, quartermaster. And in private, we're going to have a What do you mean you did? Oh, I didn't include the vector, I see. Vector is not a template. Well, what happened there? Sorry. What happened there with the music?
Playing some Mass Effect song, man. I don't know.
I see. It cut out at some point.
Well, I can remove this one from the playlist. It sounds like it's just random beeping.
I couldn't. I genuinely couldn't hear it.
Let's see. Yeah, I'm just gonna remove them.
Okay. By the way, Snow has an echo. Oh, is there two places you can hear her on this? Whoa, what is this one from?
My stuff.
I see. What's up?
Well,
You sound frustrated.
I'm trying to work, and you're complaining about music.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. You're interrupting the work.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So you're allowed to interrupt my work, but not vice versa?
Yeah, because I'm working on your thing.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
But then, what about the other day where you make me work on your stuff too?
I don't know. You keep questioning why it's stopping, and every time I'm like, it's because of the Mass Effect playlist part. And I'm like, I
Uh-huh.
can't control that.
That's okay.
Yeah, but you keep asking me, and I'm like, it's the same problem every time.
Okay, but the one that like stopped the newest one, it, like cut out in the middle of the song, which was worse.
Well, I don't know. I wasn't here to hear it.
Apparently, I wasn't here to hear you had a different issue, so I'm mad at you for having a different issue and questioning it. What do you mean?
Uh-huh.
A vector of jobs. All. Or no, let's go with ship. Oh, did I get rid of the echo, by the way, Stout? I know I can early declare work like this, so needs no to speak as a check.
Hmm?
I need you to say a sentence, please.
No. I don't know.
I hope that was enough for Stout to check the double audio.
So I realize there's something about this that we're just never gonna get completely correct.
Which is?
The orientation of the rope.
That's fine. You don't need that to be entirely correct.
Okay.
Do your best.
Because I'm
Yeah, we're good. Okay. Mm-hmm.
doing it now, being like, yeah, no, it's just not gonna be entirely accurate.
Uh-huh. Okay, it doesn't have more than one job, right? No, it's gunners that have 4. Front mast has 3, and mid mast has 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2. Well, I'm dumb, right? I don't need to do it like this either. Like, why would I do it like that when I can just do... I guess you could do 2 different vectors. One of the actual jobs, one of the alarm. Oh, that's what you do. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, we do this. Okay, so we do that. That's the list of available jobs on any given ship. Then we go down and we say it's a vector of not jobs, but integers called job I guess positions, like how many people can fit a certain job as a position of some sort, right? And then we int passenger count int max passenger count. Then could I do something like this by saying max passenger count? I could, right? Yeah, I can. That's awesome. Let's go. We're making a ship. So much easier. Okay. Then lookout, we're gonna set to 1. I know this is the worst way to do this imaginable, because you're not supposed to hardcode things like this. But I will burn that bridge when I call it a bridge. Pretty sure that's how the saying goes somewhere. I don't care. See, if I was really smart, yeah, we just a list of like actual variables. But like, I don't have a secondary lookout tower on the UI that's planned.
You did not tell me $2.
Huh? What did you say, sir?
Oh, like we have that boat, but I don't think there is a second like crow's nest now.
No.
Oh, they can
No.
share one together.
No, but I mean like UI wise for like it's supposed to look similar to the keelhaul thing, right? So
I see.
yeah. And there's no second lookout slot in the keelhaul boat.
Nope.
Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna have it. Oh my god, this is gonna be so funny because it is the first time I am ever going to have a number that is like passenger count and then a maximum passenger count. And I guarantee you the first bug I run into that's like just a simple number change is going to be that I preemptively go, oh, if you already have the max passengers, don't allow them to come aboard. But that's like an entire system that's supposed to be in the game. And then I'm going to look at it and be like, motherfucker, I'm supposed to allow more than the maximum. Int working through okay, so we now have all of this. I guess I should also have a vector of crewmen in here. Wow, way to prove you're spying on me. I said we should probably also have crewmen in, like a vector of crewmen in here, and then I went to go type the include for crewmen, and before I even finished typing include, it was like, hey, do you want to include the file crewmen.h? Yes, I'm just like, thanks for proving you're listening to me. See, you gave me a vector of crewman just called crew, you cheats.
Well, at least it's the good kind of spying, I guess.
Listen, my FBI agent is really trying to help me out.
Do you have one now?
Probably. I feel like everyone has an FBI agent, whether they know it or not.
I feel like I guess an agent has to have watch multiple people, otherwise the math wouldn't be mathin'.
Probably. But, like, you can have more than one monitor.
Mm-hmm.
You saw how funny that, like, the police tech room looked in Altered Carbon? He had, like, 50 screens in there. That was just one dude. I didn't go and get pants today. I was supposed to.
I mean, why not just wear the fancy pants? Because you are going to a very important interview.
So, the ones that I have that are fancy pants might not even fit me either. They're like super old tuxedo pants.
The gray ones, I see.
Yeah.
You don't have just like jeans, man?
No.
Oh, you literally only have shorts?
I have one pair of sweatpants.
So you have all shorts, one sweatpants, and then your pirate pants?
Yep.
I see.
Which, apparently, by the way, my mom and, like, the entire family has been under a massive misconception.
But they've been wearing the same pair of pants?
No.
Oh.
We all thought that this was going to be, like, a super formal interview, like, at a little sit-down table or whatever. No, it's a window interview.
Yep. It sure is. So does it matter what pants you wear then?
Thank you. Great question. Like, I would like a pair of pants in some fashion, so I was debating on just going to Walmart where it would be really cheap.
You could also just wait until you're here, man, and we can just go to Costco, like, because we're gonna go to Costco.
Yeah, our Costco doesn't have pants, by the way.
Your Costco doesn't have pants? Then just wait until you're here.
They do. Well, no, but I'm saying I want a pair of pants at least for the interview that's not like sweatpants, so I can be out in Quebec weather, not in like freezing shorts.
You are a shorts in the blizzard man, though.
I am, but I would not like to spend an entire day as shorts in the blizzard, you know?
I see. Okay. Well,
I will get a single pair of pants. It won't financially ruin me.
Quick question.
Mm-hmm.
This rope here. This rope goes like this, but it suddenly, like...
This rope goes like this, question mark, showing forward, like, looking at the entire... Okay, there we go. Yes, correct.
But it goes from, like, swirling like this to swirling like that. Do you think anyone will notice?
No, and I think if they do, they will just find it funny.
There you go. For you to look at.
Uh-huh, it looks really good.
Okay.
Okay, so we have a vector of crewman called crew. That one, we don't give a size, we don't give any detailed start, end, etc., etc. We're gonna make 2 functions. 3 functions, sorry. Find crewman string name string last name. Then we're gonna go bool add crewman. Crewman group to add. Bool. Wow, you're so good at this. Wow, whoa, what did I do to, like, to fix my code to just start giving me all these stupid solutions? Also, why can't, like, all of, what's the system called? Spell check. Or autocomplete, autocorrects. Slash complete, whatever. Why can't all of it be this good? I shouldn't be able to be like, I got a muffin for breakfast today, with autocorrect trying to jump the gun and be like, I had a muffin top for breakfast today. I'm just like, that's not what that context means. Okay, so under crewman, we're gonna add in. The primal ones is gonna help out so much with this because of how I have to do this to make it work. So include shift.h, please. I want someone who, like, actually works at MIT or something like that to look at my code and just watch them immediately start hating me for the smallest things. Haha! Now you can have a job. And we can say bool give job. Wow, you're so good at this autocomplete. Why? What do you need me for?
Just a big autocomplete make your code now.
Autocomplete, finish the game, thanks. And we're gonna bool. See, I typed in bool and it just went remove job with job to remove. Which I actually don't need a job to remove for that one, so you tried your best. You got real close, but you don't need that one. Because that's what the Boolean is for, is if you don't have a job, then it's like, no fucking job to remove, nerd. Stop trying. Okay, and then under private, we're going to do a few other little things here. So we're going to go int No, I don't want a health value. I want a mood. Oh my god. I went to go type mood and was like, oh, should I use the fancy flame word morale for this? It auto-completed to morale for me.
Wow.
Something is reading my thoughts. Who implanted me with a neural? And how do I get you to like make this work with actually displaying pictures in this game? In see, now this is where I actually have to do the weird thing that looks like it would be worse to do this, but it'll make more sense for me later. So we're going to change this from morale to my morale, and then we're going to make an enum of morale on every crewman that they can easily reference. No. Let's just call it head empty. Head empty. No thoughts. Now, a 1 was... Do you think if I make someone's mood at a 1 mutinous, they would understand the connection better to how a mutiny, like, even starts?
Out of 1?
Out of 5.
Out of 5? I don't know.
The mood goes from 1 to 5, right? Where it's 1 and 2 are, like, terrible mood. Or, no, sorry. It's 1 to 10. Yeah, sorry, my bad. 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, bad mood. 4, 5, 6, neutral mood. 7, or... My brain just flatlined on that now.
Yeah, I don't know. You lost me.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I know where I wrote this down, actually. I remember this because I wrote it. This was probably my most impressive feat of the past couple of weeks. Was I hit a burst of inspiration while walking the mall for something. And I remembered that I had the book to, like, the little... You remember that little green leather-bound pocketbook that I got?
Yeah.
Yeah, I wrote it in that.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty sure, anyway. Double checking now. Okay, I could be terribly mistaken. I definitely wrote it in one of my books, though. Because I remember I wrote it while walking, and then afterwards was just like, holy shit, I was able to walk and write at the same time? That's not something I typically would do. But, okay, so... And then... Oh, it's adding a 0 into it is what it is. Right. Okay, so it's a scale of 0 to 10, right?
Okay.
0 is like abysmal. It's mutinous. Then 1, 2, and 3 are all sad. 4, 5, and 6 are all neutral. 7, 8, and 9 are all happy, and 10 is ecstatic. So if I put 0 as mutinous, that should work, right?
Yeah.
Gotcha. I wonder if people even actually understand the word mutinous, because it looks weird.
I think people do.
It's like M-U-T-I or M-U-T-I-N-O-U-S. It's just a weird like spelling.
Are you sure this isn't just your dyslexia playing
It,
tricks on you?
it probably is. Okay, so we have the int of my morale, and then we have a morale chart. So now what I actually need is I guess we just well no, we shouldn't do the string on the fly, right? The string should just be morale label. Okay, and then we're gonna go with the thingies. We go function void I guess the autocomplete kind of pulled that one out of its ass too. Change morale change. Do I need it to be void though, or do I want it to return the morale every single time? Let's have it return an int so that it gives back the number even if we don't need it.
Yeah, I had a slightly funny with roommate the other day.
Oh.
So Zenkai-Con was real goo, and
Uh-huh.
the broom share person I was with, we were like looking up like what do you actually do out here, and apparently Lancaster is really big on trains. There are 2 train museums in the area. So I got back and I was like, hey roommate, I think you would like Lancaster. There are train museums. And she was like, yeah, I know. I was like, how do you already know? She already looked it up at some point, but didn't want to make the trip there because it's very hard to get there for her.
I see.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yep. The food there is really good though.
Damn.
Hmm?
What is this from?
I think this is No Straight Roads. The
I
music
see.
of No Straight Roads is really good. It's just like music, art, writing, great. Gameplay,
I see.
yeah. They're making a second one though, so you know, hopefully they improve. Well, I say the gameplay is very I say the multiplayer experience is very
I see.
Yeah.
You know what game I'm excited for us to be able to play together?
Mm,
I can't wait for us to play Diablo 3 together.
I see.
Because you do like those games. Like, you loved Dungeons when we played it.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
So this is like that, but not made for literal children.
I like number go burr.
Diablo is a very number go burr game, yes.
Uh-huh. Except for satisfactory, that's too many numbers. Too much. Yeah.
But then when I want to play it, you don't let me play it without you.
At this point, you can just play it, man.
I see.
Yeah. And if there was more of like a sandbox mode, I might be more okay. But the like platforming is not fun, and I don't know how to make the scaffolding to make the platforming fun.
You want a jetpack?
Is that what we've been missing or something?
That's been an option this whole time that you just said you didn't
I
want.
thought we like just barely got to it.
Oh, maybe as well.
Yo.
We can look at that after.
Uh-huh.
Jesus Christ. Okay, and then we have a number of preferred jobs. We're going to duplicate this, and instead of preferred jobs, we're going to say hated jobs. I like how I went through all of this stuff for a crewman, and I never gave them the option to have string first name string last name. Cool. Set first name, string name. Cool. Set last name, string name. String. Return first name. String. Return last name. Honestly, it doesn't matter what their first name is or what their last name is. It matters that they have a unique first name, not last name. Because we can have family members be a funny thing where it's like, yeah, these two have the same last name, so they just get along really well.
You had to make it really well or really bad.
Yeah. It's an automatic hate or like. Every time they see someone with the same last name, they're like, they either immediately hate them or they immediately love them. No in between. Which, speaking of, is going to be another funny vector to keep track of in a crewman, is a vector of crewmen called friends. Oh, friends. Shipmate friends. Just realized Tittle's not here to get a kick out of that one. Damn. Hmm?
Turtles isn't here?
No. Huh?
Is a rarity.
I know. Probably asleep or something, but I refuse to give him a notification now that I let him know that he can just get a notification. Because I want to be able to rub it in the first time he misses stream.
We immediately missed one, so.
Oh, yeah. Well, okay, he hasn't missed it yet. There's still time. Anyway, first name, last name, crewman friends, crewman enemies. Twitch. Int return. I hate that this is gonna drive me insane. I was gonna say return feelings about crewmen, right? With the taking in. I typed in int return fee. The autocomplete is return feelings about crewmen, with an input of crewmen, other crewmen. Um, the feelings can just be a 1 to 3 thing, right?
Yeah, neutral like, dislike. Yeah.
Okay, I'll give it its own enum then and make it return an actual enum feeling. Enum feelings. I'm gonna word it better than neutral, like or dislike though. No feels. Despise. Careless. And love. Oh, they need to have another one. Sorry. There's one more I almost forgot. There is clueless. Because if we give it a crewman that they don't know who that is, I don't want that to spit an error in our face, and I would rather them just be like, who the fuck is that? Asking me about a man who doesn't work on this ship, good sir. So there's in return feelings about crewman, and then we're gonna have a cool change feelings about crewman in change in feelings, which that now needs to not return int, but rather feelings. Hey, this is Mass Effect.
Let me see.
Is it not?
Yeah, it's Mass Effect 1. So Mass Effect 1 songs would be cool. I think I only needed 2, question mark.
Is he? Alright, there we go. So that's all of the crewmen's feelings and stuff just set up. We have their morales, etc. I know there's going to be a whole gifting system later, but we're not actually going to, like... They're not actually going to keep possessions yet until I, like, fully go through with this one.
Okay, that rope.
Wow.
How many people do you think are gonna be like, that's a news? Question mark.
At least half. Should the logo move down a bit?
I could try.
Yeah. I like it better there. Oh, when we give a crewman a name... Oh, how do we check every crewman to ever exist? For a first name?
These areas are now foil.
Nice. The ship can't keep track of every crewman to ever have existed, right? So I need another one for that. Huh?
No, I cannot.
Add a new class. We're gonna call it a... Let's just call it the world.
Okay, the red is the foil.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I am confirming.
I see. Okay. Yeah. Ship. Current ship. And then we're gonna go... Vector of crewman, crew in world. This isn't also Mass Effect, is it?
No.
Okay, I was gonna say, I don't remember Mass Effect having some weird, creepy sounding piano. What is this? It's alright. What is this?
It's a list.
I see. What's wrong? Why don't you want to talk right now? I see. If uh oh, damn, you fast at this, man.
You want to be the sea pointing downwards, or would you want to tilt it like this?
Uh, well, what's already tilting down?
Dust factor.
No, like that is fine.
Yeah, because before it would be like that, but I'm like, oh, we tilt it.
No, I can tilt it.
Do you want Spectre to be all foil, all color? Try to mix the two.
Probably just all color, no?
Okay.
I need to get up the stretch and use the washroom. Haven't done something. Oh my god. Okay.
You want Spectre to be less chibi for this?
What did I miss?
I asked you if you wanted Spectre to be more or less cheapy.
I like the way she looks right now.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want your book to be that same dark brown, or would you want that lighter brown that was there?
Darker brown is probably fine, no?
Oh, up to you, your book.
I know I'm asking your opinion.
I also have to ask if it's even possible to print on those, because, I don't know.
Then doesn't my answer not matter until we know?
I guess so. I guess so. Would you prefer a darker brown or like a lighter brown?
I'd probably prefer a lighter brown to go with like the wood type texture.
Thank you, go, the Spectre. So, what about this current shade of brown?
I know I'm what's the yeah, no? I don't know
Okay.
it's fine. Right, it look like it's two different shades of brown though.
It's not, man.
No, I mean like you zoom in. Okay, yeah, there we go. I see. I see. Yeah, okay. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Well, I'm pretty sure this is Mass Effect though.
Yeah.
Eh. In fact, I don't know the names of the tracks, but I'm pretty sure this is one of the Geth missions.
It's the name of the song is Garrus.
Nice. It's from Mass Effect 1?
2.
Oh, from 2. Okay, so this is recruiting Garrison 2. Interesting. Oh, yeah, so this is 2 is when they're at the okay. So it's not I wasn't quite thinking along the same lines, but it is like a bunch of mechs that you're fighting and like robots because the Blue Suns and like all the other people on Omega just have Garrus trapped in a little room and he's just pegging them off for target practice because he's bored. Yeah.
So this is good.
Yeah. Do you think the back needs to be decorated more? Because I don't.
No, I think it's fine.
Okay. I like to like that too.
What did you want on the spine?
Um, the little anchor thingy, I think it was. A little weird core keeper track.
It's the Hive song, I think.
Something like that. I just know it's core keeper, man.
Uh-huh.
But it's the one that we rarely hear.
So yeah, it's I'm like Hive question mark. Yeah, I think it's like separately flattened like 5 different times. Oh, thought.
Mm,
Do you still want to go? Do you want to go to Anthrocon now that you know you're gonna be here during that?
when is it?
4th of July weekend.
July 4th?
Yo.
Oh, July 4th, I see.
Yeah.
Up to you.
Because the main problem is that I'm not allowed to have more than 2 people behind the table at a time.
Uh-huh.
Yo, and Hallie wants to go.
I can stay back that weekend.
Okay.
I am sure I will still be okay with a little bit of rest after all of this.
Well, it's like once you're here.
Yeah, I'm still gonna be okay with a little bit of rest after everything.
No, I'm saying like you gotta make sure like there's obviously a huge packing list, whatever. A lot of the stuff we can't do until we're actually married.
Like,
Insurance, dental, health,
oh, we're like,
doctor visits.
once we have like the approval, we're booking an actual court date, right?
Yeah. Well,
That's
but your mom wanted to come see that, no?
and I'm telling her when the day is, and if she can't make it, she can't make it.
I see. Okay.
I'm not waiting. I refuse. Because I have to go there, do that, and then I have to fill out an AOS.
Yeah, adjustment status, yeah. Then the
Yeah.
card time.
Yeah, and then I gotta wait for that whole thing. Oh, I also have a topic after you're done talking about this.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, wait. Is that everything, though? Is that everything?
It was mostly just, yeah, do you want to come to Anthrocon or no?
No, that's okay.
Okay.
Okay. Um, the thing you need to talk about was just news. Risk of Rain has teased its newest DLC already.
Oh.
Yep, and the theory is 3 new survivors.
More?
Uh-huh. If I had to guess, it's going to be 2 returning, 1 new, or 2 new, 1 returning. But like, it has to be one of those 2 mixes because I doubt they're going to do all 3 new or all 3 returning. If they are returning, I would love to see Enforcer finally be funny. People are always like, oh, they're gonna be too broken if you try to do the block in a 3D escape. But I'm like, man, cones exist. The cone is a great representation of a 3D, like, field of view, front view thing. In fact, technically, that's what a shield projectile would block. It's not a cylinder, it's a cone. Just a weird diminishing diminishing cone. But yeah, let me see if I can find this this thingy. Risk of rain.
What's the name of it?
I don't think it actually has a name yet. I think it's just been teased.
Let me see.
Yeah, it just said like it was a tweet or something like that that just said she is watching, and the cutscene was of 3 pods landing in a new map.
I see.
Yeah. Which is why I'm like, I don't know if I can find it, because right now everything's still about Allied Collective.
So you just want just an anchor on the spine? That's it?
I don't see why not, right?
Eh. Spectre a little lighter colored.
I don't want to label this acquaintances, because that's too long and complicated of a word for me to type out every time I type this thing, so let's just say,
Crewmates, man.
co-workers. Well, because everyone is a crewman. I guess I could say crewmate, but like it'd get confusing after a while.
Are you gonna get stopped every time you try to fly within the US or no?
That's a great question.
Okay. Because I'm like, I can't have that happening, because literally early night, that means like any early type of flight is out of the question. Those are the cheap ones. And also,
You know I have no say in it, though. Like, I don't know what to do.
I guess we'll just find out.
Uh-huh. There is no way of knowing this, man. But there is a chance that, yeah, it just gets stopped. I could just make it a point to bring with me everywhere my ALS form.
No, I mean, you should be.
Yeah, but like I'm still probably gonna get stopped every so often.
Mm-hmm. So what did you want for your anchor? Just the good old eh. Eh.
Oh, I like that. And then, yeah, you gotta do both sides though. Yeah.
Kind of short though.
Yeah. Okay, hear me out for a weird thing. That's like a potential process. Would you? Oh, have a good night, Stoke. Would you want to do the same thing, but upside down on the top of the spine, and then do like a little squiggly in between them as if it's a rope?
You want like a little funny knot, or do you just want like a rope?
Just a rope. Unless you have another knot you wanted to do or something.
You just do like a little bow or something. I don't know. Do the ball. The volleyball looking.
Yeah, sure, man. It's called a monkey's fist. I'm not joking.
We'll see.
Yep.
I was gonna see. It's like I can get why. Okay, I gotta actually look up what wood looks like because this is definitely not it.
It's pretty close though. Don't you have it on the right? Isn't that one of them?
No,
In your reference over there?
No.
I see.
Okay, I was a little off. Wait, Snooket.
Oh, is Spectre touching the spine now? Is she from
Well,
the
the
spine
spine's
to...
on a separate layer. It doesn't matter.
Oh, I see. Okay.
I don't think I should add the like. Now it turns into like a. Now it just looks like a grid. It really is just a ball. Should I delete the like crossy parts of the like the rope braid or no?
No!
No.
No.
Okay.
What is this song? I feel like I know it. Hang on, wait.
We'll put in your guesses.
Would I know it?
No. Okay. You just want this put upside down.
Yeah. Unless you also just... Unless you want it to be the same orientation for whatever reason, but... Try it upside down first.
There you go.
Yeah, I like it upside down.
You would know this song, but I don't think you would get it.
It's not... Is it Clair Obscur?
No, I don't have that in here yet because I'm waiting to put the guy.
I see. And it's not Persona.
No, not on this song hosting site, unfortunately.
But I would know it. Like, I would know the game.
Yeah, but like, okay. Are you also okay with the spine? I'm looking at it now. Like the spine lines are way thicker. Should I fix that?
You don't have to.
Okay, I am done then.
Okay. What was the song?
It's from Moonlighter.
Oh, I would not know it then.
No, yeah, that's how I was like, you ain't getting it, but you do know it.
Well, no, but I mean, like, would I know where the song is from? You're like, yes. I'm like, I wouldn't know. I didn't listen to the Moonlighter soundtrack. You did.
Oh, he played it though.
Not really.
No?
No, you played Moonlighter, man.
Nice. Yeah, I thought you also played Moonlighter.
No.
Okay.
You're the only one who owns it.
Hey, you didn't just play my version?
No.
Okay.
Oh, why? I know this one. I have to know this one, right?
Oh yeah.
Oh, this is Have a Nice Death. What department is this though? Is this the first department? Or is
No,
this
no, it's the
it's the food, the fast food, right?
no,
Oh, which one is it?
it's Frank Contagion.
Oh, Contagion. Oh, right, because the popping looks like the little medical bubbles.
Oh.
Yeah, oh, that's fair. Okay, thanks, phone.
What? God.
Mhm. Did you ever beat Have a Nice Death?
Like maybe once.
So no, because you don't know who actually caused the problem, do you?
No.
I see. Gotcha.
Mhm.
Do you want to know, or are you going to go through that at some point?
I'm never gonna go through it.
I see. Okay. So yeah, you never got to learn that Life was the one who was doing it.
Life?
Yeah. The CEO of Life Inc. was the one who was causing havoc at Death
So
Inc.
someone I just never saw. Gotcha.
No, because we had to get you didn't get there yet.
Mm-hmm.
But it was one of those things where it all clicks into place afterwards, where you're like, oh, that makes sense because Life wants to take control over Death's domains, like no one has to die. But in order to do that, they were like, oh, I gotta help tell the people there to get slacking and stuff like that, and so they were just infiltrating in weird and dumb ways. Yeah, good plot twist. I think my brain is also melting. I think I'm gonna stop stream here for now then. Alright. Thank you, Chad, for coming by. Tomorrow it's Thursday. What did I have planned for tomorrow? I was gonna do something.
You done?
I already had it planned out, and I can't remember what it was, but doesn't matter because today's plan changed to be this because I wanted to see if I could be productive with code. The answer was like mostly. Debatable. I'll see what the long-term effects are after. Definitely can't learn Godot though. That's not worth it. Rather learn the API to make my own imagery stuff. Do it the hard way. Yeah. So tomorrow, Mugenics. For sure. Until then, have fun, rest well, be safe, and of course, as absolutely always, stay bullish, my friends.